up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be participating in the Jamie's Week of Color, and today's Monday, so it's going to be red. So I was thinking, I thought I had more red stuff than I do, but that's probably because my hair is red, so I'm not going to put a lot of red stuff on my face. But today I'm just going to test out some stuff and we'll just see where it goes. So I'm going to do my face off camera and then I'll come back on. So I'll be right back. Alright, so most of my face is on, and now we will start with our Jamie's Week of Color in red. So I have this NARS lipstick actually, and I got it in like a birthday kit a million years ago, and that's one of the red things I have, so I'm going to use that today. I think what I'm going to do is like a cut crease with the red, because I feel like that would just be fun. So we're going to do that, and I'm first going to grab some tape if I can find it. Ooh, now we have red. I'm going to put some cherry lip balm on. Ooh. Cool. Alright. First step, some tape. And for this look, I'm not going to put it down because I don't want to smoke my under eye out with red because that's just going to look like a bloody eye. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to keep it aligned with exactly my under eye lash line. All right, tape on. Next step, my NARS little lipstick. And of course, I make a mistake. It's all good. Then I'm going to take a synthetic brush and just kind of coat my brush in that. And just kind of create a better line. I went too far on the side, so I'm just going to take a Q-tip and kind of backtrack. And pretty fine on the other side. It's just mainly that side because I went too crazy. And then I'll just go back in the brush with the NARS. And ooh, my tape came off. Right into the tape and go right into my crease. I can just use the actual thing too. All right. Next step, pull off the tape. Ooh, we got stubby chunky on one side. Take that same brush. And I'm gonna just smooth everything out. Ooh, crazy. Alright, next step. Taking some concealer on a concealer brush. we're just gonna dip that in both sides. Just do a little light coat, or I'm doing a light coat, and I'm just gonna clean up the angles. So right here, we got a little too much on the lid. I'm gonna go in with my Derma Blend. Actually, I'm gonna go in with some Kat Von D powder. And I'm gonna set everything just before I put the next round on. Because that would just be too many creams slipping and sliding against each other. I kind of like how that looks. It's funny how one eye can look so much better than the other. Alright, so now that that is set on, we're going to go back in again. Look at this hand. Eek! And we're going to do it again. Okay, so... and back in with a Q-tip, and we'll do it again. So at this point, I'm just trying to get the red because I'm working with cream products, which is not the smartest thing in the world. That's all I have, so I'm just doing the challenge like that. So this is what I want mine to look like, and this is what I'm working with. Eek! So, more Q-tips. So I'm taking a Q-tip, these like baby Q-tips, and I'm just gonna go clean up the side. So I'm just gonna go below my lash line. And drag it. And then I'm probably gonna take my brush because it's not exactly what I want it to be. So I'm gonna go back in and clean it up with a Q-tip again. And kind of brush this one down. I'm gonna make a whole new tip for that. Oops. Just make them match a little bit more. That one's still thick. And I'm gonna go back in with my fluffy brush, wherever it may be. Don't know. So I'll take another one. And we're just gonna hit the underneath of that. Alright, so I'm going to start with this side first. So I'm actually going to reconceal the bottom of my eye again. And I'm just going to place the concealer there and go back into the fluffy brush. Damn, I can't find shit today. Then, once you place the concealer there, just go back in with the fluffy brush. And your finger. Cool! Alright, next time. Or next side. Alright. So different. This is very different than what I would normally do. And now I'm going to go back in with some Kat Von D for setting powder again. I think it's called KD Makeup or something like that now. And today, there's been not a major. So I naturally have freckles. I've had freckles forever. And now people are starting to do fake freckles. And I found that so funny because when I was a kid, I used to love to go to MAC and be like, what foundation am I? And the lady would always say, why would you want to cover up those freckles? Because I didn't like my damn freckles. So, it's funny now that like the makeup trend or whatever is to do fucking freckles. So, I think that's pretty funny. So, my inner kid's like, oh my god, but I'll try it. So, I'm going to use my Dip Brow from Anastasia. And pat everything down. That's why I did my under eye concealer a little bit more white today. I used my light tan instead of my medium. I just thought it'd be fun with one of these looks because it's different. So I'm going to take a pointed brush like this, not like a tiny pencil brush, or like an eyeliner brush, that would work. And I'm going to spray some Fix Plus right in this. Just one. This is so funny. And I'm just going to kind of reenact my freckles, but you know, on top of your skin, so it's kind of funny. Top of your makeup, not your skin. So, going in. And as I'm doing this, you want to make sure your brush is like straight on, because if you go sideways, it gives like a little bit more of a different shape. So I got that one. I have one like directly in the middle of my face, like whoosh, right there. And I have some on my forehead, but oh yeah, that's so funny. Baby freckles. Top of your nose. Wow, and I have some just naturally all over my face. You don't want to make them perfectly grid because then it's like, oh my god, nice freckles. But so after I have that on, I think what I'm going to do to make it not so like obvious that I dotted my nose with freckles is I'm going to take a little bit more setting powder and just kind of pack it on. Just with a big brush. How funny. Freckles are in! Alright, and now to finish off my red lip. I gotta go with some red lips because we're just feeling crazy. So, there is the eyes so far. I did them very simple. Whoops. And I think what I'm gonna do is take some... Okay, next up on the eyes, because you gotta have some white eyeliner in here. I'm actually gonna bring it down too, and then just smudge it out with your hand. And I'm actually just gonna be doing regular mascara today because I don't want it to take away from this crazy eyes. Alright, next step is lip gloss and all that jazz. So I'm just gonna be taking, my lips are moisturized. I'm actually going to wipe the chapstick off. And I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I used for my eyes. Take my lip gloss and just take a brush and apply it. Normally I would say put a lip liner on first, but I have one red MAC lip liner and I can't find it. So if you have that, use it first. And applying lipstick with a brush will help you be more precise too, especially one like this, it's kind of angled on both sides. It just helps. And then after I kind of have a base, then I'll take lipstick. And then once I have that base on there, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one's called Social Light Lip Gloss, and it is a red. And it is bright red, which I love. Put it on my brush. And put that on. And then after I do like one light layer, then I'll take it. I'm doing this makeup look as like a little challenge thing. Just, you know, stay busy during quarantine. So, after that, I'm going to curl my lashes. And apply some mascara. Alright, I'm just wrapping this up. I'm just going to add a little bit of pink blush. And we'll just bring it on our nose too today. And, oh, I forgot my highlighter. And gotta throw a little bit of sarcophagus on these cheekbones. And top of your nose. Alright, I think that's gonna conclude my Jamie's Week of Color look. Pretty fun. Ooh, does it want to load? So I added like the fake freckles, little recap today. So I didn't have my red eyeliner or any of my red eye products. So I had to use lip stuff. So that's why it's all creamy. And I used a Makeup Revolution lipstick pretty much for everything. It's called Reckless. And then I used a NARS stick in Cruella. How funny, Cruella de Vil. There we go. I use that, and then I use an Anastasia and Social Light lip gloss. So those are all the red products that I used today. And then I did white eyeliner and all that jazz. And I'm just going to set my face again with my MAC Fix Plus. And yeah, that is going to conclude the look. So thank you so much for watching my video. Tomorrow I'll have another one out. So we're basically just going red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And then I think the end of the week is a rainbow color. So yeah, stay posted. Have a great day today and stay safe out there. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.